Hello, little farmers and artists! Today we are going to color one of the most hardworking and helpful friends on the farm, the hen. Hens are wonderful birds that give us so much joy and healthy food. Get your whites, light browns, and speckled gray crayons ready. Let's scratch the ground and start our coloring adventure. A hen is a female chicken. They are birds, which means they are covered in feathers, have a beak instead of teeth, and they hatch from eggs. They belong to a group of birds called galliforms. As you start coloring the hen's cozy body, imagine her clucking happily as she looks for seeds in the sun. The most amazing thing about a hen is that she can lay eggs. A healthy hen can lay almost one egg every single day. That's nearly 300 eggs a year. Most eggs are white or brown, but did you know some special breeds lay blue or green eggs? It's like they are producing Easter eggs all year round. Hens lay eggs even if there are no chicks inside. For us, these eggs are a healthy breakfast, but for the hen, it's just a natural part of her day. It takes about 24 to 26 hours for a hen's body to create one beautiful, hard-shelled egg. While you color the nest, think about how many eggs might be hidden inside. Where does a hen live? Most live in a chicken coop or a barn. They love having a safe place to sleep at night and a nesting box where they can quietly lay their eggs. Some hens are free range, which means they spend their whole day outside in the grass, running and exploring. They love the fresh air just like we do. Hens are very social and love to live in a group called a flock. Within the flock, they have a pecking order. This means they have a social ladder where some hens are the leaders. They are very smart and can recognize and remember more than 100 different faces of other chickens and humans. Everyone knows the cluck-cluck sound, but hens actually have over 30 different sounds. They have a special sound for "I found food," a different one for "danger is coming," and a very soft, sweet sound they use to talk to their babies before they even hatch from the egg. When a hen wants to hatch her eggs, she becomes a broody hen. She sits on her eggs for 21 days, keeping them at the perfect temperature with her warm body. During this time, she barely leaves the nest. She is a superhero mother who protects her chicks from the cold and the rain with her big wings. When the 21 days are over, crack! The little yellow, fluffy chicks hatch. They are born with their eyes open and can start walking and eating right away. The mother hen teaches them how to find the best seeds and how to stay safe. While you color the hen, maybe you can draw some tiny yellow chicks around her. Hens don't have teeth, so how do they chew? They have a special part of their stomach called a gizzard. They swallow tiny pebbles and grit, which stay in the gizzard. When the hen eats grain or seeds, these little stones act like teeth and grind the food up. They are like little feathered food processors. What's for lunch? Hens are omnivores. They love grains, seeds, and vegetables, but they are also excellent hunters. They catch bugs, worms, and even small lizards. By eating these pests, they help keep the farm and the garden clean and healthy. They are nature's little gardeners. Here's a funny secret. Hens don't take water baths. Instead, they take dust baths. They find a patch of dry dirt, dig a little hole, and flap their wings to cover themselves in dust. This might look messy, but it actually keeps their feathers clean and removes tiny bugs. It's their version of a dry shampoo. How does a hen sleep? They don't lie down in a bed. They like to roost, which means they sit on a wooden bar or a branch high off the ground. This keeps them safe from predators like foxes during the night. They have a special balance that allows them to sleep soundly without falling off. Look at the red part on top of the hen's head. That's called a comb. The floppy red part under her chin is the wattle. These aren't just for decoration. They help the hen stay cool. When it's hot, blood flows through the comb and wattle to release heat from her body. It's her very own built-in radiator. A hen's feathers are like a multi-purpose suit. They keep her warm, protect her skin, and help her stay dry. Once a year, hens go through molting, where they lose their old feathers and grow beautiful new ones. During this time, they take a break from laying eggs to focus all their energy on their new outfit. They can see colors even better than humans can. They can see tiny movements in the grass from far away, which helps them find small bugs to eat. Their eyes work independently, meaning they can look at two different things at the same time. There are hundreds of different breeds of chickens. Some are pure white, like the Leghorns. Some are rich brown, like the Rhode Island Reds. And some have beautiful patterns, like the barred Plymouth Rock, which looks like it's wearing a striped sweater. Every hen is unique and beautiful. Hens are much smarter than people think. They can remember paths, locations of food, and can even solve simple problems. They have a great sense of time and know exactly when it's time for the farmer to bring them their breakfast. They are very punctual birds. Now, while we finish our coloring, listen to the story of Hattie. Hattie was a small brown hen who was very quiet. One afternoon, while the flock was grazing, Hattie saw a hungry fox hiding in the bushes near the chicks. Hattie didn't run away. She puffed out her feathers to look twice as big and let out a very loud, sharp warning cry. The other hens ran to the coop, and the farmer heard Hattie's alarm. The fox was scared away by the noise and the farmer's arrival. Hattie saved all the babies that day. She showed everyone that even if you are small and quiet, you can be a hero when it counts. Just like Hattie, you are doing a great job today by being brave with your colors. Hens are a farmer's best friend. Not only do they provide food, but their waste is also excellent fertilizer for the plants. This helps the vegetables and flowers grow big and strong. Everything a hen does helps the cycle of life on the farm stay perfect. Here is a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that chickens are the closest living relatives to the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex? That's right. When you look at a hen, you are looking at a tiny, feathered dinosaur. They have been on Earth for a very, very long time. Look at your masterpiece. Your hen looks so happy and proud in her nest. Today we learned about the magic of eggs, dust baths, and the brave story of Hattie. You did a fantastic job, little artist. Show your drawing to your family and tell them one cool hen fact. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye. Quack, quack.